Let me show you really quick how this works. So you have to put it in the back window or in the front window facing the sun, right? So you're gonna have the green light. As you can see, it just sticks to the window because it has those suction cups. It just sticks to the window. This is an MPPT charger, so there is no voltage coming out of it. It has to sync up to the battery. So just by testing it over here this way, you get no voltage. So what you have to do is you have to hook it up to the adapter that comes with it. And this one goes on the battery. So here's the voltage on the battery, 12.48, 12.49 volts. And we're gonna hook it up right now to the solar panel. There it is. And right now, it takes a little bit to sync up and you'll see the voltage starting to go up. See, it's already 1250, 1251, 1252, and so on. So it takes a little bit of time to actually sync up to the battery because it's an MPPT charger. So what it does, it needs to sense a battery at the end, and as soon as it senses a battery at the end, then you get the voltage rising, and then once the battery is charged to the recommended voltage, then it automatically stops and it just trickle charges it until you get to the right voltage. How I hooked it up, I basically ran the cable through the car, coming through the window, and you could close the hood also. And then basically it just sits like this and it maintains your battery. So when you're somewhere there is no power, this is the only way that you could keep your battery maintained.